Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi everyone! Are you planning to visit Murcia Negros Occidental? I have here a cafe that I visited which I'm going to share with you. But before we proceed, I would like to thank the people who supported my family's YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the red button down below to see more uploads in the future. So guys, welcome to Alagyan Farm and Cafe. We went to Mambukal Resort and Sanctuary and we were able to pass by Alagyan, so we dropped by to see what's in their store. And here we are. Na-amaze talaga kami because they have a beautiful ambience. It's a cafe in a farm na pwede kayong mag-fishing. Plus, they have a very nice view of the mountain. At ang presko pa ng kanilang hangin kasi naka-elevate yung farm nila. This is just few meters before Mambukal Resort at ang plano lang sana ng grupo ay magkape kasi yung mga taga-Occidental at saka Iloilo ay talagang mahilig sa kape na fresh from the farm. And then, na-discover na lang namin na pwede palang mag-fishing dito at magpaluto ng mga isdang nahuli, yung tilapia mismo. Dito kasi sa Negros Occidental, maraming farm, especially mga haciendas, and some locals develop it into something productive at isa itong Alagyan na ginawa nila ng cafe at resto. Nagpagawa talaga yung may-ari ng parang gazebo where you can have some fishing. So, ito na guys, kape tayo. Usually, yung coffee nila is very affordable. It only costs 20 pesos, 25 pesos, or 35 pesos. Ay, gamay. Oh, oh go! Hawa da! Wala! I-video isa ka wala. Hindi na ano mo nang tigawnan ba? Wow! Okay. Okay, Dan. Ay, may lago. Let's see. Wee! Ba, hindi paglugawa ang tubig. Ay, laki-laki ba din? Laki-laki. My catch is a big fish. Pinapusing-pusing pa, oh. Tingnan natin yung kuha. Wow! Everybody, look at here! Wow! Teka. Okay, ah. Grabe! Yes!
Kainin mo, sinapya ko.
Wow! Sorry!
Walo.
Yan, i-post na naman yan.
Rice. Sa inyo ng mga rice.
Walo.
Post naman dyan.
Testingin mo.
Malakas,
malakas, di ba?
Oo.
Video.
Aftermath. Aftermath of tilapia.